Stop Word from ignoring words in uppercase when checking spelling and grammar. In my example document, my headings are all in capital letters or uppercase. Now at first glance, everything appears to be okay. I may even go to the Review tab and Spelling and Grammar, and it tells me that everything is fine. However, the default setting in Microsoft Word is to ignore words in uppercase, and it doesn't actually check them. To amend this, we can go to the File tab, Options down the bottom, and then under Proofing, we want to uncheck that Ignore Words in Uppercase, then click OK. Now we can see there actually were a couple of spelling mistakes that we need to fix. So it can be a really good idea to change this setting in your Word options.
Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our Help Me Format YouTube channel to discover more tips and tricks.